Hoş geldiniz arkadaşlar. Today I will tell how to and when to use personal endings in Turkish. Means personal suffix. In Turkish, when using personal pronouns which are ben, sen, o, biz, siz, onlar, you should also add the personal endings for the pronoun. For example, ben doktorum. Ben means I, which is personal pronoun. Doktor is noun. Is the personal suffix attached to the noun doctor. So ben doktorum means I am a doctor. As you can see, there is a attached to the doctor. This is a personal ending. Every pronoun has a unique and different personal ending. For example, ben doktorum means I am a doctor. Sen doktorsun means you are a doctor. O doktor means he or she or it is a doctor. Biz doktoruz means we are doctors. Siz doktorsunuz also means you are a doctor, but it's formal. It's used as plural or formal. Onlar, doktorlar means they are doctors. If the last vowel of a word is a or o, we use the ending a. If it's a or e, we use the ending e. If it's o or u, we use the ending u. If it's a or u, we use the ending u. Here are the examples you have to remember. For ben, sen, o, biz, siz, onlar. That how to use them after a noun or adjective, how to attach them. You can see in ben and biz, in the bracket it's y. This we will use when two vowels are together. Then we will put y between them, because in Turkish we don't use two vowels together to avoid the clash between them. Take şair, for example. Şair means poet. Sen şairsin. This means you are a poet. You can see şair has the last vowel e. So according to the rule, if the ending is e, then we use the rule sin. Sun, soon or soon can't be used, only sin. So you have to remember this rule. This rule is applied for ben, sen, o, biz, siz, onlar. It's not so difficult, just you have to keep practicing. You can see for onlar there are two suffixes, lar and ler. Lar is used when the last vowel of a word is a or or o or u, and ler will be used when the last vowel of a word is a or e or or u. Because every personal ending is different, it's possible to omit the personal pronouns and only keep the personal endings. For example, ben doktorum means I am a doctor. Ben is personal pronoun. You can omit this and just say doktorum, which itself means I am a doctor. Also ben öğretmenim, which means I am a teacher. Öğretmenim also means I am a teacher. Ben is personal pronouns. Nim is personal endings. Ben öğrenciyim means I am a student. Öğrenciyim means I am a student. You can see in öğrenciyim we put the letter Y. If the last letter of the noun adjective is a vowel, we add the buffer letter Y to prevent having two vowels side by side. As I said before, to avoid the clash between two vowels. As you can see, although we use the same personal pronoun ben, but the personal ending is different. One is and the other is in. This is because of vowel harmony. Please do watch, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Görüşmek üzere.